Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming out. With all the rain, I was excited to see someone come. We've never done a live broadcast with no one here, so this is pretty nice. In fact, you know what? One of my goals, personal goals, I don't want to be like vain or anything, but we started meeting here in our house in first Monday or first Tuesday, I'd have to look it up, of April in 2002. And we've had 3 to 5 Bible studies every week since then. And we've never had a Bible study where no one showed up it'll be 20 years the first week in April. So we're right there on the edge. It's like a no-hitter in the bottom of the ninth, 2 outs. You got to get one more out. Then we'll say we've had 2 straight decades of 3 to 5 Bible studies a week and never had anyone not show up. Sometimes we've hit 70. Sometimes we had 2 or 3. But we've never had a total shutout where I was talking to Tony. Now, we have canceled a couple times because of snow. And then, of course, we went on vacation or something like that. But we never stood and stared at ourselves, I appreciate that. I mean, really, that's why I say thank you for coming, because it's one thing to say you're at a Bible study, and it's another thing to have a Bible study that people actually come to. So that's nice. And if you're watching online, I appreciate that too. We're looking in chapter 6 of Hebrews, verses 11 and 12. We're going to go back to verse 10 again and look at what's taking place here. What they're talking about is he's gone through and gave a negative example of those that had fallen away or had gone back to following the ways of the Jewish law earlier in chapter 6. And then he gives that would be a negative example. And then he gives, the writer in chapter 6, talks about the field that often receives the rain, and that is in